LCM. What is it and how to find it for beginners? LCM stands for least common multiple, or the lowest common multiple. The LCM is the smallest multiple that is common to two or more numbers. Since we're dealing in multiples, it won't be any surprise to know that for this, we need to know our multiplication tables. Let's say we have to find the LCM of 4 and 6. We're going to list multiples of both these numbers, and we're looking for the smallest number that occurs in both lists, that's common to both lists. That's the LCM. Note down multiples of each number. Multiples of 4, and just list them in a line. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. And then list multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24. You can see that 12 and 24 crop up in both listings, so they're both common multiples, but the LCM means the lowest or least common multiple, and the smallest number in both lists is 12. Then we just say LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. That's pretty easy, isn't it? Sometimes you'll be given a set of 3 numbers and told to find the LCM. In that case, we just go through a set of multiples for each of the numbers and find the lowest value that's common to all 3 sets. Straightforward. We'll find the LCM of 3, 6 and 10. List the multiples of 3, and I'm going to have to list quite a few, you'll see why. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. And now I'll list multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Notice that every multiple of 6 is also in the list of multiples of 3. But we can't state an LCM yet because we still need to show the multiples of 10. Let's do that now. 10, 20, 30. I can stop listing now because 30 is in all 3 sets of multiples. So 30 is the lowest multiple that's common to all. The LCM is 30. The nice thing about this method is that you keep a note of the multiples as you go, so you have proof of the LCM because you can see it on the page. That's great for revision, and teachers love this method because it's so clear. Plus, you get to practice your tables and see the pattern of repeated addition on the page. Basically, it's great for your math muscles. This method is best for lower numbers up to 12 because we should know those tables anyway, and it's a perfect place to start. When we have to find the LCM of larger numbers, there's another way of doing that, and I'll show you that in a different film. Now, go and practice LCM for yourself and boost your math muscles.